I want to show you inside of the dashboard here. So here we are. This is going to be where you're running all your ads, you're tracking all your ads, you're seeing how they're converting. This will all pop up and fill out once your ad goes live. Okay, so I want to walk you through a couple of different things here. So first thing we have here is this is the campaign that we just created, right? We can always make new campaigns as well. So if you go to campaigns, you can change this up and you can add new campaigns, right? You can create a new one here. You can go through what we just did. Maybe you have different products and you want to run ads, or even different businesses. You want to run different ads for those businesses. You can do that by creating new campaigns for that. We have our ad groups, right? The type of people that we are going for, the specific ads that we've created. We can make more of them inside of here. We also have the option to run experiments, which is really cool. This is one of the newer things that Google has allowed us to do. And so you can mess around with that as well. So what I recommend is spending a lot of time inside of the dashboard, understanding everything that's going on inside of here. So, here's all the different keywords that we're targeting. And maybe perhaps we want to add a keyword. We can just select that here and put that in. But also over on the left-hand side, we have the tools section. And the tools section, I spent a lot of time in here because we have things like a keyword planner. Okay, so maybe I'm looking for new keywords. I want to find something that is, maybe being searched a lot. We can get search volume and forecasts for all these different things. Okay, so maybe I'm really curious on like marketing agency Philadelphia. And so I can see that it's getting between 1,000 and 10,000 searches per month, has medium competition. The average bid is anywhere between $2.37 up to $9.61. So I was kind of right with I didn't want to go over $5 about for that. But keywords ideas is also a great one. So like if I want to do that and I can get results for that. And it's going to give us all kinds of different ideas that we can try to run an ad for, like Creative Agency Philadelphia or Digital Agency Philadelphia. So here's, for example, like Tierney Agency. This is probably a competitor, right? And maybe you want to run ads above your competitor when someone searches in one of your rivals, and you can just pop up as an ad because you are targeting that specific keyword. So I spend a lot of time inside of the keyword planner getting new ideas for keywords that I can be running on, but they're always adding new things here. So like creator partnerships is one of their new things here that they've added in. And if at any point you want to expand from specific like Google search ads, you can do that and run different types of ads as well. You can create a new campaign, and on that one you can decide maybe you want to run ads on YouTube or display ads or Gmail ads. You can do all of that inside of the Google Ads dashboards.